everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sachin Jadhav. In this video I am going to do unboxing Samsung Galaxy M01 mobile. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. Thanks for joining me again. I am going to do unboxing Samsung Galaxy M01 mobile. Let's just check what all in box. Firstly, I have seen quick start guide, original log guide and warranty card like this. 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6-month manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. I keep aside. Secondly, I have seen this wonderful mobile. As you can see, I'm going to switch on this and keep aside for a minute. Third, I have seen this wonderful charger. Comes with 5 volt, as you can see. Seen this ejection pin. I just remove this. As you can see, bottom of the mobile, USB charger cable pointer and earphone connector and mic. Left side you can see SIM slot. Right side you can see power buttons and volume key buttons. The box includes ejection pin, manual and charger. The box does not include earphones. This mobile comes with a 5.3-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 x 1418 pixels. This mobile comes in 8MP rear camera with autofocus and 5MP front camera. Let's go to setting and scroll down. I'm going to click on about phone. This mobile comes with 1GB RAM and 16GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card with a dedicated slot. This mobile powered by an MT6739WW quad-core processor with Android Go P10.0 operating system. Connectivity options on this mobile include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth. By clicking on dark mode, as you can see, your mobile is looking like this. By clicking on dark mode, again your mobile is looking like this. This mobile powered by an 3000 mAh lithium ion battery. Mobile you cannot see a thumb lock. One thing I liked in this mobile that it bears a plastic body, as you can see. Overall, the feature has been given well in terms of mobile price. Really a trust on Samsung devices, because I have been using Samsung Galaxy devices since 4 to 5 years. I just open camera, as you can see. Thanks for watching.